Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another review and unboxing video. Now if I look like crap, it's because I have actually been sick for the last 3 days and I've been laid up in bed, unable to get out of bed because of pain in my leg. Extreme pain. It feels like someone's been stabbing my leg for 3 days straight. And sometimes it feels like they're stabbing it and then twisting the knife around for a little bit before they pull it back out. And I have been to the doctor in relation to it, and apparently it's nerve pressure and there's not much that they can do about it. They said take some Nurofen, rest and walk. Yes, rest and walk. She said if you can walk, go and walk, but rest. Now I've done that for 3 days and I was starting to feel a little bit better, and because I hadn't left the house in 3 days, we had run out of stuff to eat. So this arvo, I decided to go to the shops and do a little bit of shopping so we've got stuff in the house to eat, which is very important because we do get hungry. And look, I do a lot of shopping at Aldi, and when I went there they were literally selling these and I thought, are you serious? This is exactly what my doctor recommended if my rest and walking regime did not work. Because she was saying rest and walk, and if that doesn't work, we'll send you to physio so they can hook you up to one of these. Look, I just thought it was fate. These were selling at my local Aldi. They had 4 of these sitting on the shelf and they were $99 each. So this is an Onset Recovery Muscle X Pro TENS EMS machine. Now it also comes with an ab and back belt and arm cuffs. Now I don't know how much you know about these, but some people claim, to use them for bodybuilding or muscle building or something like that. Look, I don't believe in that. Look, I'll have a bit of a play with it and try it out and see what it does, but I honestly don't believe in it. But I have had these used on me in the past when I had a knee injury from playing sport, and I used to go into my doctor at the time when I was living in Sydney, and he used to hook me up to one of these for about 20 minutes to half an hour, twice a week I think from memory, and it did work. It did make a big difference to the recovery of my knee. As you know, I also like to train in the gym, so this might be good for muscle recovery. Now it does say here, relax muscle spasms, and muscle spasms, muscle cramps is what's been causing my issues in my leg for the last few days. Look, I didn't just jump in and buy this. I did have a quick look on the internet on my phone and did some research on reviews. Now the average online review was 4.7 out of 5. I did read some of these reviews and they were very positive. They said it works well and it is great value for money. And you do know how Aldi's got their little sales on. I've never seen these before, but apparently they were first sold on the 12th of August 2017 and they retailed for $99.99, which is still what I paid for this one. Then they were again on sale on the 22nd of February 2020 and again in late January, early February 2021, which is now. Now the release date of this machine is August 2017, so they have been around for a little while. So great reviews, and the thing that I like here, it does come, I'll give you a closer look at the box. One of the things I like, it does seem to come with batteries. So it looks like, this is what the machine looks like. It comes with a number of different pads. It also comes with an a wrist or ankle bracelet, and it also comes with an ab and back belt there. So let's get it out the box and have a closer look at what we've got. Now I'm quite happy about these positive reviews, and I did check YouTube and I could not find any other reviews on this. It looks like it comes in a nice little case. that's it there. It comes in a nice case, which is a nice touch. Onset recovery. Let's open up the case and see what we've got in there. And that will be the end of the unboxing part. And I'll definitely be doing a follow-up video on this once I've been using it for a while, just to see if it's any good. I mean, I can't tell if it's any good now because I haven't tried it. So that's the little device there that comes with it. It's got a couple of plugs on the end there, and the batteries go on the back. So that's pretty straightforward. It comes with 3 AAA batteries. It's got some cables there, and it's got some more cables there. And like I said, I'm going to have to do a follow-up video on this. This is basically just an unboxing video so you guys can see what you get. Here's a little plastic bag, and that to me looks like a wrist strap or ankle strap or strap of some sort. And it's got 2 pads there and 2 attachment points. So I'm guessing you can put that around your wrist or any part of your leg or arm to concentrate the electrical impulses to that area. And like I said, I'm only guessing. I haven't read the instructions yet. I don't know anything about these apart from having had one used on my leg. And that was about 10 years ago. Okay, there's the body strap, flexible, Velcro, and it'll fit, I think that'll go around me twice, and it's adjustable here right down to that size, which will fit a child, I guess. And it appears to have 4 pads on the inside, 4 contact pads, and it's got 2 connections there that connect to your machine once you're wearing this. And this is supposedly for your lower back or your abs. So that looks really good quality for the money. Don't get me wrong, like that looks really good. Self-adhesive electrodes, Well Life, and I'm guessing that is the company that actually makes this for Aldi. Onset being an Aldi brand, I believe, because I've done a few videos on Onset stuff, like the Onset Keto Coffee. So these are the self-adhesive electrodes, and reusable. There's some more self-adhesive electrodes. And I'm assuming you can buy more of these from Well Life Healthcare. And there's the instructions, which I'm going to have to study so I can try this machine out. I'm sorry I can't do any more than this for the time being. I'm going to have to read this and work out how to use this tonight. And like I said, I've literally been laid up in bed for 3 days. And I went out shopping today and they had these at Aldi. So I thought that was the sign that I had to buy it. Look, it was $99.99, so I didn't really want to spend, but I think my health is more important than $99.99. Look, if it does anything, I'll be happy. If it works as well as what I'm hoping, I'll be very happy. It'll be a bargain at twice the price. Now, if you'd like a follow-up video on this, or if you've got any questions relating to this product, don't forget to leave a comment down below and I will do my best to answer your questions. And I will definitely try and do a follow-up video on this once I've used this for a week. So maybe wait till this time next week and you'll have another video. And it will either be, this is great, or I've taken this back for a refund. So either way, I think I'll do another video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Careful so I don't throw my back out. For more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.